Hello everybody, welcome to my official YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing us here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. How you can browse for free, and this happen to all network. So you will follow the step that I'm about to show you. Warning, in this video that we're about to show you, we are only showing it out and we didn't tell you to use it or not to use it. If you want to use it, you are on your own. If you don't want to use it, you are still on your own. And if you use it and anything happen like violating any law, we are not the one that tell you to use it. So before you can browse for free on your phone, there are certain things that you must do on that your phone or SIM card before it will work properly. And you must make sure that you have at least 2 megabytes on your phone. 2 megabytes on your phone. It's not 2 gig, it's 2 megabytes on your phone. Then when you have the 2 megabytes on your phone, the next thing you are going to do is that to turn your phone network to flight mode, which means the network will not show at the up of your phone. When you want to turn your phone to flight mode, you bring the menu down. When you bring it down, you will see flight mode, which is the number 2 here. After flashlight, then you see flight mode. When you touch it, you will see the up here. Something like praying is going to show, which means your network will be turned to flight mode. And when you scroll it up, you will see the praying sign here. Exactly this. That is to show that you have turned your phone to flight mode. Then when you have turned it to flight mode, the next thing you are going to do, switch off the phone. When you have switched off your phone, then on it again. After you have on it, you are not going to remove it from that flight mode. Leave it on that flight mode. So the next you are going to do is that you will enter where you normally used to dial number, where you can dial number. You type number and dial on your phone. There you can see my own here. So I will type a code. This is where you are going to insert a code to the phone or to the SIM, so that you will be able to browse for free. Then you will type **4636. Then you type another one again, #***. Then you will wait, a new screen will come up. Something like this will come up to you. Then after you have come up to you, the next thing you are going to do is that you will enter phone information. When you enter phone information, you will see some information like this. You will see your phone information just exactly like this. The first one, phone number. Then when you take it down, you see current network. Then you see data service disconnected. Look at the data service here. You will see this data service disconnected. Then data network type unknown. Then service, voice service, radio off. So you can see that everything here, they are off. And with like this, you cannot browse the internet. And I want to tell you something. You know, when you have data on your phone, you buy data on your phone and you use it to browse. After some time, when you have exhausted the data, your network provider will send you message that you have run out of data, that you should recharge and buy another data again. And after they have sent you such a message, the next thing they are going to do is that they are going to disconnect your mobile radio power. And here is your mobile radio power, and they are going to turn it off. You can see here that is off already. So your network provider are going to turn it off automatically. They are going to turn it off from their headquarters. So after they have turned it off, you will not be able to access the internet again until you recharge. After you have recharged and buy some data, then they are going to turn it on again. But in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can turn it on. But make sure that you have 2 megabytes on your phone, because in that 2 megabytes, that is what you are going to be using for browsing and upload browsing and even downloading files. And they are not going to know, the network provider that you have been using are not going to know, because when they check your data balance, they are going to see 2 megabytes there, and that 2 megabytes will be telling them that you have data on your phone. So the next thing you are going to do now is that you can see here data service disconnected. Then what you are going to do next is that you are going to turn your mobile radio power on. When you turn it on, this data service disconnected will showing connected or connecting. So I'm going to turn it on. I've turned it on, so you can see that it's showing here, it's showing connecting. Here, this particular place, data service is showing connecting. A time will come that it will show connected. Once it show connected, mean that you can access the internet now. So after it have showed connected, you will go to your browser. You will go to your browser, the browser that you normally used to do, or anything. Just go to anywhere on your phone. When you go there, something like this, when you go to your browser, you will be able to browse for free. You will be able to browse for free. Once this data service that is showing connecting showed connected, that means that you can access the internet for free, and you are going to browse upon browsing and downloading files, and your network provider will not be aware of it at all. So that is how you activate free browsing to your phone, and this work to all network.
Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, so that anytime we upload any of our new video, you will be the first person to see it.